Okay, we're going to look at some experiments today to look at separating materials, and this is a second level outcome. We're going to start off with a few little simple experiments with materials that you should have around your school or that you can easily get from a local supermarket. The first experiment I've got here is separating, this is peas, dried peas. Obviously you can get them from any local supermarket. And I've just got some sand in a cup here too, and again, quite easy to come by. We're going to just use a sieve for this, just to show the pupils or get them to try and separate out the two different solids. You might, if you were teaching this, not want to show the pupils this to start with. You might want to just show the two different substances, two solid substances, first of all, and ask them how, if they were mixed together, they might be separated. So, like I say, got a cup full of peas, some sand. If we simply take them and mix them together, the pupils should get the idea that we have a mixture here. What you can do, you don't have to use sand in peas. I mean, other materials, easy to come by, stones or small chips, something like that, could be used. It really doesn't matter, but obviously if you're using a sieve, as in the first case, you need something that will go through and something that won't. So if you were to show that to the pupils, they could hopefully come up with ideas how they could be separated. I'm sure you'll get a few weird and wonderful answers. But one way, of course, is just to pick all the peas out one at a time to separate the two back out into the peas and the sand again. However, using a sieve and a basin or some other container to catch the sand as it comes through, simply the pupils can take this and pouring it in, they should get the idea quite simply that they can separate them out based on the size of the material. One thing you could do, if you can get hold of different sieves with different sizes of mesh, you could try different materials to separate them. And these are all things that you can get quite readily, hopefully around your primary school or certainly within a local supermarket. So quite a simple way to start separating substances.